Hello, today I will show you how to start the Smart Wake Up option on your Sony SmartBand 2. So, first let's unlock our phone and swipe up. This has to be the phone that your Sony SmartBand 2 is paired with. You should have a SmartBand 2 application installed on it. Open it. And here you can find the Smart Wake Up option. If it's not here, you can always go to maybe settings and select Smart Wake Up. And here you can select on which days or during the weekend or during the weekday at what hours you want the SmartBand to start waking you up. It won't be a sudden alarm that will be waking you up. It will be a very continuous small period of waking you up. You can even select what that period should be, half an hour, or maybe even longer. So let's select, for example, that we want to be woke up during the 6:30 to 7 a.m. on weekdays, and that's when our SmartBand will start vibrating and waking us up. You can also select the snooze duration, so once you press the button on your SmartBand, you will have a certain period of time when you won't be woken up, and you can even select how long should it be, 10 minutes or maybe even more. You can also select if you want low vibration to be on, if you want a card to be shown on your home screen of your phone, and see all other different things. But besides that, once your Smart Wake Up has been turned on, you can always find it once again in the settings menu or even here and change anything you want. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.